Okay guys, I'm going to show you how you can prepare a file here for making stickers that you can use to cut over at Irvington High School. So I've got my file here, and what I need to do is create my cut line for this. So I'm going to select all these parts here of this student's design. So I just want to grab this, and I'm going to make a offset path and select this here. So let's see. Yep, I want to select the text as well. So I need to make a what's called an offset path, and so that's going to be the cut line that goes around the outside of the sticker here. So you can do whatever kind of shape you want. I can make this into just like a circle, you know, or some sort of like polygon. But I'm going to show you can make a more complex cut line. So I've selected everything here. I'm going to create a copy of this, and so I'm going to make a copy. I'm just going to hold my Alt key inside Illustrator and just make a copy and kind of bring this over here like that. Now I need to fill this all in and just make this all one single line. So I'm going to go to my Pathfinder tool. So you can go up to Window and go to Pathfinder, but I've got my Pathfinder. And I'm going to merge all this into one single shape here. Okay, and then now what I can do is go up to Object, and I'm going to go to Path, and then I'm going to go to Offset Path. And inside here you'll get this window that opens up here, and you can kind of change how big or small you want this to be. You know, so maybe I want to go somewhere around like that, maybe like 2 millimeters. I can press OK. Illustrator is going to create a whole new line here like that. I don't need this anymore, so I'm just going to delete this. Okay. And now I just need the outside of this, so I can change this to a stroke here, and then it looks like I've got the inside of this. So I'm going to grab my direct selection tool. I'm going to select this and get rid of that. Okay. Now what I need to do is I need to grab my cut path here. So is that this file? Oops. Yeah, this is my cut contour line here. So I just need this as a stroke instead of a fill. Remember to get to this cut contour line. You need to go to burbawi.com. So if I go to burbawi.com here, it's right up here. I can go down to Makerspace Resources, and then I can go to Roland Adobe Color Swatch, and then I can download this file here. That's going to download, and then I can open up that file inside Illustrator here. Okay. Any sort of line that you make to use for this Roland cutter has to be this exact color here, otherwise it's not going to cut. The other way that you can do this is you can also add this swatch here, but what I'm actually going to do is I'm just going to make a shape, and I'm going to get rid of this fill here and just make this into a stroke, and then I'm just going to copy and paste this line into my document, and then I can select this, grab my eyedropper tool, and I can select that here. This line doesn't need to be a really thick line, you know, it can just be like 1 point, maybe like, you know, half a point, something like that. And then I can just put this back here like that, and then that's going to be my line here for the cut line. Okay, so everything is going to print here, and then it won't print this purple line. This will be the line that just gets cut out. Okay.